Welcome back. Parish priest of Majorda, Father Urban Menezes, is booked for an offence of cheating and forgery. The principal of the Father Basilio Andrade Memorial Higher Secondary School, Trevor Barreto, is also booked in the same offence. Iris Rodriguez had filed a complaint that the duo had produced bogus experience certificate before the brothers of Father Urbana. Kolva police registered a FIR on Friday.
FIR has been today registered at the Kolva police station against parish priest of Majorda, Father Urban Menezes, the principal of that higher secondary school, Trevor Barreto, and the two brothers of Urban Menezes. One is Luis Menezes and Leonard Menezes. These are the two brothers of Father Urban Menezes, in whose name these fraudulently bogus certificates were issued.
Advocate Iris Rodriguez has sought the information under the RTI.
Both these individuals conspired and issued false and bogus certificates. The certificates issued were in the names of two of Father Urban Menezes' brother, and both these certificates were used in the United Kingdom to fraudulently get jobs. Under the Right to Information Act, I sought information from that higher secondary school as to the list of the non-teaching staff members from the year 2000. The list given to me did not show the name of these two boys who were the brother of Father Urban Menezes.
Father Urbano Menezes refused to comment. A reporter from Majorda, Savio Dice.
Chikli Panchayat vehicle was caught red-handed while dumping the garbage at the Murgaon municipal garbage dumping site. Surprisingly, municipality officials and the Sarpanch of the Panchayat claim that they were unaware about the act. However, workers at the site claim that they were following orders of both Chief Officer of the Murgaon Municipal Council and Sarpanch of Chikli Panchayat.
Have a look at this. Chikali Panchayat vehicle was seen dumping garbage at Murgaon Municipal garbage dumping site. We spoke with the driver and cleaner of the vehicle.
सरपंचान धाडला कितें म्हणून सांगला तुमकां
हिंग तो तेणें सांगलें म्हणून सांगपाक लागलें कोणी तेणें आमोडकून तेका आनी हिंग वच म्हणपाक लागलें ते घेवन नासलोली गाडी तेका फोन केलो मस्ता आनी भितर गेली तेणें मागीर गाडी आमकां सरपंचान सांगलें वच आपूण सगळें उलयलां आनी मिनिस्टराक बी उलयलें म्हणून सांगपाक लागलें
कितले फावटी तुमी ही गाडी घेवन येयला हिंगा
आमी दोन फावटी
काल आनी आयज
The chairperson of the council, Sarika Palkar, reached at the site. She questioned the security guard. The security said the chief officer had asked him to allow the vehicle.
सीओ को मैं कॉल किया था सीओ ने लेटर दिया है तुम किसको भी कॉल करेगा इसको कॉल किया उसको कॉल किया करके पूछेगा हम आए थे इधर लेटर लेके सीओ को लेटर कॉल किया था सीओ बोला कल लेटर देगा आज का दिन एक कड़ी ले लो.
We met the chief officer of the Murgaon Municipal Council, Agnello Fernandez.
Today, is there any agreement between Chikalim Panchayat and municipality?
There is no agreement.
Today there was a vehicle of Chikalim Panchayat.
I told the CP to take necessary action and file a case because she rejected it.
However, the Sarpanch of Chikali Panchayat, Maria Mascarenas, seems not aware about the situation.
बाबाचो हे ताका पेट्रोल घालपाक धाडलो आनी ती डाम करपाक गेले तीन पावली ती म्हाका खबर ना सारकी.
A reporter from Sada, Surendra Madkekar.
And now news from sports. Goa's under-19 cricketers are working hard in the pre-season camp at Goa Cricket Association Academy in Porvorim. The youngsters form a base for the future Ranji team, as well as the dream of making it to the Indian cricket team is driving the under-19 cricketers to put in dedicated effort in the training camp. In charge of under-19 cricket setup, Sudin Kamat says if the players perform, there will be no stopping from scaling greater heights.
The lush green outfield at the Porvorim Academy complex is abuzz with players working on their fitness. This is the time when youngsters shape their bodies for the heavy workload of the season. Building stamina as well as strengthening their core muscles is the key for fitness to last the entire season. In charge of under-19 cricket setup, Sudin Kamat believes the experience of his Ranji days will ensure that the players are serious about the task ahead.
What can we say is different this time around with this regime and the under-19 side?
Well, we are pretty serious about cricket now. I mean, there are at least 2 people who have played decent level of cricket in this committee. I myself have played a Ranji Trophy for Goa. I played 19 matches, and we are pretty serious about grooming the under-19 team, and they are the base for Ranji Trophy. So, you know, we'd like to provide some good youngsters and make them future Ranji players for Goa.
If someone is good enough, regardless of the age group status, the promotion to Ranji level or up to the India ranks will completely depend on the player's performance.
See, I mean, like it's a continuing process. You know, under 16s will go to under 19, under 19 will graduate to play for Ranji Trophy, and the coach and the support staff, they know each and every player in and out because they've been with them under 16, under 19. Same set of coach and support staff is with them, so they know the players pretty well. Deserving players should directly make it to the Ranji side. Even if they are under 16, under 19, it doesn't matter at all. If they have got quality, they will make it.
How much of a grooming exercise is it going to be for you right now in your committee to send one of your boys or send a couple of your boys to the under-19 team for India?
Well, it depends. I mean, you can't plan this. They have to perform. And without performance, I don't think anybody can demand a place in the Indian side, because that's a totally different ball game. You see in Unmukh Chand, he showed his maturity. When he played that final knock, he scored 100. I mean, in that situation. So if Goans show that much talent and that much maturity, and if they keep consistently performing, then I don't see any reason why they should be behind.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari and Sushant Paul.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.